Hey everybody, Tim over here at St. Paul GM Power. Today we're going to go ahead and talk to you about the importance of oil changes for the efficiency, the performance, and the maintenance aspects of your vehicle. Regular oil changes are important for the performance, efficiency, and longevity of your Chevrolet vehicle. Our Chevrolet Certified Service experts are trained on how your vehicle uses and monitors its oil. Choosing the proper grade of oil is a critical step in engine maintenance. Chevrolet Certified Service offers a range of oil types, including AC Delco Dexos 1 Full Synthetic. Ask our experts which grade of oil is best for your vehicle. Standard since 2010, Chevrolet vehicles are equipped with the Engine Oil Life System, or OLS. The OLS indicates when to change the oil and filter. This is based on a combination of factors which include engine revolution, engine temperature, and miles driven. It is recommended to periodically check your oil level. In order to get an accurate reading, the oil must be at a warm, normal operating temperature, and the vehicle must be on level ground. If you have any questions about your vehicle or any other maintenance items on your vehicle, please give us a call here at 636-931-0055, or you can always make a service appointment online at stpaul.com. Thank you.
St. Paul GM Power.